So here I am. My focus is avoidance of pain. I'm focused on the physical. I'm avoiding my conscience. I'm avoiding the operation of my conscience. Because when I break the conscience rule, the moral law, there's a guilt feeling. And most of us don't like to feel guilt. Most of us feel like guilt feels terrible, so I'm not going to feel that. And so we avoid the operation of the conscience. But the conscience is there to help you feel guilty. Guilt is an indication you know you're breaking the law. So it's a good thing to feel guilty under those circumstances. Yeah?
So when we feel guilty, we should try to really feel that guilt, and then we can make a different choice, or what?
Yeah, and what are you feeling guilty about is a good question to ask yourself, isn't it? Like, why do you feel bad? Now, there are times when you feel bad when other people just make you feel bad, and it's got nothing to do with what is right and wrong. It's got everything to do with what they think is right and wrong. But there are other times when you're just thinking by yourself, you feel like you want to take an action, or you have taken action, then you reflect about that action in your life with no pressure from external, and you can still feel bad. And under those circumstances, you need to be a bit more sensitive and go, oh, why am I feeling bad? There's got to be some reason, you know. And actually, it's the operation of the law of compensation, trying to help you feel guilty so you know you did something wrong. In the spirit world, in the hells, that's what the majority of people in the hells are actually doing, connecting to their guilt about all the things they did wrong. Yeah? So it's better to do that now, but the average person on earth doesn't do that. Because the average person on earth is in this fight about everything with God. So